Want a baby shower that's big, bold, and full of prehistoric charm? A dinosaur baby shower is perfect for parents who love adventure and fun. With dino decor, themed food, and playful games, this celebration roars with excitement. Let's explore dinosaur baby shower ideas that are creative, colorful, and totally dino-mite. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's a fun favor idea? Give guests mini dinosaur toys, fossil soaps, or cookie bags. Wrap them with labels like "Thanks for roaring with us" for a sweet send-off. Favors thoughtful, like this if your gifts leave smiles behind. What invitations fit the dinosaur theme? Use designs with baby dinos, eggs, or footprints. Add playful wording like "stomping in soon" or "a little dino is about to hatch." Invites with fun, like this if your shower begins with prehistoric charm. What food fits a dinosaur baby shower? Serve dino nuggets, brontosaurus bites, and fossil cookies. Themed labels make the food playful and tie the prehistoric menu together. Menu tasty? Like this if your spread feels dino-mazing. What centerpieces work for this theme? Use toy dinosaurs with greenery, egg decorations, or small volcano props. Add flowers or balloons to balance the prehistoric look with soft baby touches. Tables styled? Like this if your centerpieces roar with fun. What about outdoor dino showers? Great idea! Use picnic tables, inflatable dinosaurs, and themed banners. Outdoor spaces naturally fit the adventurous and playful dinosaur theme. Outdoors fun? Like this if your garden feels prehistoric and festive. How do I use greenery in the decor? Add faux palm leaves, vines, and jungle garlands. Greenery pairs perfectly with dino cutouts to create a prehistoric jungle vibe in any space. Green and bold? Like this if your decor feels wild and fresh. How do I style the dessert table? Feature a cake with dino toppers or eggs hatching. Surround it with cupcakes, fossil candies, and greenery to make it photo-worthy and fun. Desserts wild? Like this if your table looks deliciously prehistoric. How do I keep the theme balanced? Mix dinosaurs with baby-friendly touches like soft colors, balloons, or plush dinos. This keeps the theme fun without overwhelming the space. Balance achieved? Like this if your shower feels bold yet sweet. How do I create a dino backdrop? Set up balloon garlands in green and orange, add palm leaves, and use cardboard cutouts of dinosaurs. A welcome baby sign completes the look. Backdrop roaring? Like this if your wall feels photo-ready and bold. How do I choose colors for a dinosaur shower? Pick earthy greens, browns, and oranges mixed with bright pops of teal or yellow. These colors create a fun prehistoric palette that feels playful and modern. Colors roaring? Like this if your palette feels dino perfect. Can I add personalized details? Yes, custom banners with Dino Baby or baby's name are adorable. Personalized cupcake toppers, favors, and signs make the celebration unique. Details perfect? Like this if your decor feels one of a kind. Can I add games with a dino twist? Yes. Try a dino egg hunt, trivia about dinosaurs, or a stomp the balloon race. Games bring energy and keep the celebration lively and fun. Games roaring? Like this if your shower feels full of laughs. A dinosaur baby shower is adventurous, colorful, and unforgettable. With roaring decor, themed food, and fun games, it's the perfect way to celebrate your little hatchling. Get creative, go bold, and make it a dino-mite party. Inspired by these ideas? Like and return for more baby shower themes.